Hey, hi. Can you tell me your experience at the Beaver Life Science?
Yeah, sure. I would like to share my experience at Beaver Life Science. This 1 month internship was a wonderful experience for me. Before the joining, I only had a theoretical knowledge about a clinical research, but now I gain a knowledge on practical based. Before I'm not aware about it, but now I gain a knowledge from PV, ADR form, CTRI, project management, and etc.
Hi, Apurva. What are the roles and key takeaways during the internship at the BLS?
During my internship, I learned the basics of clinical research, pharmacovigilance, and the clinical data management. I also learn about the case processing, clinical trial process, and the CRF, PCRF documentation. This internship increased my experience and the knowledge in clinical research.
Hey, Diksha. How much did you learn about clinical research?
So before this internship, clinical research and clinical trials were just a theoretical concept for me. But when I came to this internship, firstly I learned about the CTRI website where we register and access the clinical trials. Secondly, I learned about NDCT rules, how much vital role they play in this clinical research. And third, the CRO organogram, how different departments, how different domains work together to conduct a successful clinical trial.
What is PV and what did you learn about it?
So basically, PV is pharmacovigilance, and I learned about case processing. It is a major part which Beaver Life Science gives us, where case processing, where we understand the websites and we have the hands-off experience in the from the websites. So it was a great experience I would ever have.
Hello, Manish. What type of hands-on training you gained during the BLS internship?
I have received hands-on training in SOP preparation, clinical trial registration, pharmacovigilance, regulatory documentation, and Excel, which gave me practical exposure to clinical research processes.
Hello. Hello. What was the most challenging task you handled during this internship?
The most challenging part of my internship is handling new SOPs, clinical research organizations, software tools. Initially, everything was new to me, but with regular practice and support of my BLS team, it learned me everything, and it tells that importance, and it builds confidence in me.
Hey, how well did this internship connect your academic knowledge with industry practice?
It connected my academic knowledge with industrial practices very well. I understood how the theory I studied is used in a actual clinical research. I also learned practical skill, professional work methods, and gained confidence by working in a real environment.
Hey, Ashwini. So, what are the top skills you gained during this internship?
On my internship at Beaver Life Science, I learned how to clinical trials perform and how to CRO departments are conducting work together. I also improved my communication skills, teamwork, professional skills, and gained my confidence for my career future.